Okay, so in this next part, we're definitely going to need USB drive, and as well to make certain that we have the Rufus tool installed. And of course, we're going to need that download file. So I'm going to come up here and we're going to need our Zorin OS ISO file, which we do have here. So I'm going to go ahead, minimize this, open this. And now that we have Rufus opened up, we're going to go ahead and install our USB drive. And there we go. And we hear it in. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this option here. We can see our USB right there is connected, so we definitely want to make certain that we have the USB drive selected here. In the boot selection, we're going to do disk or ISO image, so we're going to hit select. We're going to grab that ISO file, our current download, open up, and now we can see that ISO file located here. We're going to go ahead and do GPT, and then we do see UEFI non-CSM, which is for compatibility mode, which is necessarily if we're going to do MBT. So for like older legacy devices, we could do that option, and then we would have BIOS and or the UEFI or UEFI. So back to GPT, keep it at UEFI non-CSM. Then down here, I typically just like to leave the default name of Zorin OS 17.3 Core. We do want to do FAT32. We can also leave the default at the 16 kilobytes, and then we'll just go ahead and hit start. From here, it's going to ask us, are we going to write an ISO image or a DD image? Of course, we can see it's recommended, and I will say the DD is a disk image, no biggie there. We're going to just stick with the ISO image, and we're going to hit OK. It's going to give us a warning that any data on this drive is going to be destroyed, which no big deal there. Hit OK, and we can see progress is in motion. So I'm going to go ahead and just let that keep cooking, and then we'll come back when it's finished up.